Hello everyone. This is a question asked in GATE 2021 Computer Science and Engineering Set 1. So we have two rectangular sheets of paper M and N of dimension 6 cm cross 1 cm each. Sheet M is rolled to form an open cylinder by bringing the short edges of the sheet together, while sheet N is cut into equal square patches and assembled to form the largest possible closed cube. Assuming the ends of the cylinder are closed, the ratio of the volume of the cylinder to that of the cube is. So basically, we have to find the ratio of the volumes of two distinct figures which are made up of the same sheet of paper. Now, the useful data that has to be known in this question is the circumference of the cylinder of radius r, that's 2 pi r, the area of the cylinder, that's pi r square, and the volume of the cube. Now, to approach the question, we have taken two identical sheets that's given in the question and we are forming two distinct figures. So, from sheet M, we are forming a cylinder that's rolled from the shorter sides. That means it's rolled something like this. Now, since the cylinder is rolled from the shorter side, we are well sure that the height of the cylinder would be equal to 1 centimeter. Now, to find the volume of the cylinder, all we need is the radius of the cylinder. Now, to calculate the radius of the cylinder, we know that the circumference of the cylinder that is formed by rolling the shorter side of the sheet together will be equal to the longer side of the sheet. That is, 2 pi r would be equal to 6 centimeter, which would give us radius as 3 upon pi. Now, we can calculate the volume of the cylinder as pi r square h, which turns out to be pi r is put here, that's 9 upon pi square times h, that is 1 centimeter. So this would give us the volume of the cylinder as 9 upon pi centimeter cube. Now, to calculate the volume of the cube, we have to divide the sheet into equal square patches. Now, to divide the sheet into equal square patches, what we can do is we know that the cube has 6 faces. So, if we can divide the sheet in such a way that it's divided into 6 equal squares, then combining them we can form this cube. And we can do that if we can divide the longer side of the cube into 6 equal divisions or segments. So if we divide our cube, our sheet something like this, then we can have 6 equal segments or patches that each will have dimension of 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter height. Now, if we take all the segments together like so, and we take the last two segments here, then if we roll this figure up, we can essentially form a cube. Now, the property of this cube would be such that each of its length, breadth, and height would be 1 centimeter each. Now, the volume of this cube can essentially be given by it's the product of its length, breadth, and volume. That's a cube. That's 1 times 1 times 1. That turns out to be 1 centimeter cube. Now we have the volume of the cylinder as well as the volume of the cube. Now the ratio of the volume of the cylinder to the volume of the cube turns out to be 9 upon pi centimeter cube divided by 1 centimeter cube, which gives us the answer as 9 upon pi, which is in option C. So option C, 9 upon pi, is the right answer.